to show you the mountain buggy Duet V3 that we have, and how sort of simple it is to unfold. Come and have a look, and you can see it's quite big in the boot. Obviously we've got a Lexus NX, which is a mid-size SUV. It does take up a lot of space, but you know, double buggy, twin life, etc. I think there are buggies that are a little bit smaller, but we really like this one, so that's what we got. It is fairly heavy, I would say. Not ridiculously so, but if you're not a little bit strong, then you might struggle. Literally very simple to unfold though. You've got a button here. Have a look at that. Just there. Please ignore the filthiness of the buggy at the moment. It's obviously coming into winter, so not a good time. So literally just pick it up, press the button, it swings out like so. Fold that up, and you're good to go. That easy.